It's a side of the United team. He's going to call. That is the call. And it's a tail. This is the defenders on the and they opted to ball first.
Goes hard and hit the boundary. What a shot this is. Stand and deliver. Oh, lovely ball. Excellent delivery. Straight to the wicket keeper. Genuine edge. Abdul Ghani is the man first to go. Goes high. And I think it will land safely. Wait for the umpire signal. One bounce. Ball him. The big wicket. A prize scalp. Look at the celebration from the captain Syed Mahmood Hussaini. Good shot straight on the ground. Beats the man at mid-on and mid-off. Ball running away to the boundary. Could this go all the way? Second boundary to Srinivas Kanti. Goes hard. Goes bang. Take that. Over extra cover. What a shot. This time full toss ball. Low full toss. Whacks that one over long on. For another six. Second six in this over. Goes hard. You want to pull that one. Ball didn't come onto the man. Even though ball running away towards the boundary. And it goes all the way. Goes big. What a sweet sound of the willow. And that went for the U6. Look at that. Again want to hit, but the ball goes thickish edge and went to the boundary. To the full toss. Plays the turn over deep into the fielder. Has he taken? No, he hasn't. Call. What a slap this is. Real slap shot. Switch under the bat and into the fence. Really misfilled by the fielder. Poor fielding. Goes high again. Over extra cover. Has it gone the distance? It goes for the maximum. What a shot. Ball game. Sound of a timber. Prithviraj is the bowler who has produced that important breakthrough. Easily turned it down to the onside. Goes for the quick single. Directed. They needed Harish Cheke. Can't hit the stumps directly. And the 50 runs for Srinivas Kanti. Goes on the back foot. Cuts it fine. Man in deep cover. Can he catch it off? He doesn't. What a shot this is. This time through the extra cover. It could be the second consecutive boundary. And it is. Good shot again. This time over long gone. Has it gone the distance? Oh, he missed it. Ajay Gowda is the man. Normally he's a pretty good fielder. Nicely played in the air. Soft dismissal really. Just played that one to the outside. That's it. First century for Srinivas Kanti. After marriage, first century. Could be the lady luck. Sixth century in this tournament. And for their team, this is second century. One century Rahul Arvind and the second century by Srinivas Kanti. 185. They made it by losing 4 wickets in 20 overs. Target is 186 in 20 overs. Can they do it? We will be back shortly. Stay with us. So once again, warm welcome. CCC Rangers batting at the moment. Sharan Patil comes to ball straight away and he takes. Goes high again. This time he clears the infield so comfortably. Has it gone the distance? Yes, it is. First six for Adarsh Prajwal. This time he connects in the air. Fielder. And he takes it comfortably. Who is the catcher? Ball him. Take that. Wicket number second. 2 wickets in this over. What a start for the bowler. You need to be straight to the man. And he taken. Sir Harish Cheke is the man. In fact, Ajay Gowda is the man. I beg your pardon. He goes high. Harish Cheke. As he clears the rope. Comfortably. Take that. First six. Again he goes downtown in the air. And no chance for Ibrahim Junaidi. He remained like a spectator on the time. That went. Oh, and goes for the glory. Cleans up. Clean bowled. Prithviraj is the man. Playing across the line. Oh, pulls it beautifully. Harish Cheke. No man's land. Has that went all the way? Yes, it is. Another six. Good shot. Lovely sound of the bat. Patil running away to the boundary. There is a man in the deep. Can't get there. Much needed boundary. Lovely shot on the ground. So 50 to Harish Cheke with that single. He reaches his half century. Harish Cheke in style. Lovely shot. Over extra cover. And that went for the distance. What a shot this is. Lovely play, well played to over extra cover again. One bounce into the fence. This time cleans up by the ball. Fourth wicket for Sachin Rathod. Flicks it away. There is a man in the deep and taken it comfortably. Wicket number 8. And he cleans up in fact. So it's all over. United team have won this match.
The match number 17 was played between two teams, that is JCC United versus CCC Rangers, and JCC United won the match by 46 runs. One wicket of applause, people. So undoubtedly, the title for man of the match goes to Mr. Srinivas Kanti. May now request the delegates to kindly hand over a cheque of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandanawaz House of Sports. 100 runs and 60 balls. That has 12 boundaries and 3 sixes. We always give away the prizes even for the highest number of sixes for that particular match. So on that basis, we have 2 winners for today. That is Harish JK for his 4 good sixes and Santosh Matti for his 4 sixes again. So may I now request the dignitaries to kindly hand over a cash award of rupees 2,000 to Mr. Harish. Can we have you, Harish? And can we have Santosh Matti? Can we have you, please? For his 4 sixes, a cash award of rupees 2,000 being handed over from Khaja Bandanawaz House of Sports. A food voucher of rupees 500 being handed over to Sachin Rathod. Let the claps keep coming. May I now request Mr. Tahir Abbas to kindly come and hand over a cash voucher of rupees 1,000, a cash award of rupees 1,000 from Hash Include along with the dignitaries to Mr. Srinivas. The cash prize is basically handed over to the player who makes a century in his innings. Congratulations, Mr. Srinivas. And may now request the dignitaries to kindly hand over a cheque of rupees 500 from the team sponsor, that is Aslam Junaidi Sahab from the team JCC United, to Mr. Srinivas. 1 minute of applause. As a token of appreciation, it's been handed over.
KBN Champions Trophy is presented by Khaja Bandanawaz University and by Mega Speed Broadband in collaboration with Hash Include, media partner Go Hash. Our associate sponsors include Manur Multi-Speciality Hospital, Shah Hyundai, Bharat Honda, Gulberg Travels, Punjab Footwear Group, Shehbaz Electricals, Sana Builders and Developers, and by AN Banquets. Our gold sponsors include Originals Clothing, Shweta Dentistry, United Hospital, Al Noor Speciality Hospital, and by Maharaja Sweets, Dargah.